How to change background in Zoom app. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can change background in your Zoom app. So let's get started. First, just go ahead and upgrade your Zoom app. If you have not, just go to your App Store or Google Play Store, and if you find an update available, just update it. After you've done that, just go ahead and open up your Zoom. Now after you've opened up your Zoom, you'll need to start a meeting. You can either join a meeting or start a new one yourself. So just start your meeting now. So after you start your meeting, all you need to do is turn on your camera. After you turn on your camera, just scroll down here and tap on more. After you tap on more, just select background and effects. So right here you will see all the backgrounds available. You can add video filters too. Just select the background that you'd like and it will be added. So it's basically that simple. And yeah, that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and if you're not subscribed, just head down below and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.